After a successful summer, honeybees produce a surplus of honey for the beekeeper. This leads to questions about how to harvest honey. You may be wondering, how do I take honey off of my colonies, or how do I harvest honey? What extracting equipment do I need to buy? What can I make myself? How do I uncap frames and extract the honey? What do I do with sticky frames after they've been extracted? What are the best bottles to use for honey? Where do I get the best beeswax for making candles? And what do I need to buy to render beeswax? What does crush and strain mean, and is it a good method? And finally, how do I clean up honey spills? If you are wondering about these questions, you are not alone. Over the past 30 years, Stan and I have helped thousands of beekeepers get started, and you've asked tons of helpful, awesome questions about harvesting honey. We gathered all of these questions in one place to create the course, Honey and Beeswax. In this course, Honey and Beeswax, you will learn how to harvest, uncap, extract, and bottle honey, plus how to render beeswax and make beeswax products. This course includes over 50 video and text lessons. We will take you beekeeping and share step-by-step strategies, inspection tips, and troubleshooting guides about how to harvest and extract honey. Some of the skills you will learn include how to harvest, uncap, extract, and bottle honey, how to choose a bee-type location to extract the honey, how to render cappings wax in a solar wax melter and on a stove top, how to choose extracting equipment and build your own bottling tank, how to produce and eat cut comb, and how to make beeswax candles, lip balm, and use other recipes for bee stuff. Since these courses are online courses, you can take them anytime, anywhere in the world. You can start any time of year and refer back as you need to. They are 100% self-paced with pre-recorded videos. You'll have lifetime access, and as we update and refine these courses, you'll have access to all of those changes too. Included with this course is 52 emails. There's so much content out there to learn about beekeeping. You can avoid overwhelm by viewing the content in bite-sized pieces. Emails contain what you need to know for that week and what you can focus on a little bit at a time. Weekly emails will span all 6 courses. You will be able to access the links for the courses that you are signed up for. You can also experience these courses by searching by topic. We've built in a search function so that if you have a question about a specific thing and don't want to look through all the 270 lessons, you could type it in and it will pop up with the information that is relevant to your search. If you sign up for one of our courses, you become a member of our site, and all of the members have access to our Facebook group, which is called Beekeeping with the Honey Company. And that is a great place to post progress of your hive and ask and answer questions for other beekeepers. We also have printable guides that you can print and reprint as often as you need. It has checklists, recipes, tutorials, queen troubleshooting, and more. Begin this course after you've done one of the following. Either completed our first course, My First Colony, and the premium course, Beginning Beekeeping Skills, or if you already have honeybee colonies and some beekeeping experience. We will assume that you're keeping European honeybees in a temperate climate. These courses are totally adaptable if you're keeping another type of bee or in a different kind of hive. We hope that you'll sign up for our premium course, Honey and Beeswax. It will include all that you need to know about how to harvest and extract honey, as well as how to render beeswax and make beeswax products. If you think this course is great, you ought to sign up for all 6 courses. They're bundled together for a very good deal, and you get all of our beekeeping information that will take you from newbie to expert beekeeper and have information for new, intermediate, and advanced beekeepers. We hope you sign up today.